So today I'll show you how to make these Kracie's Japanese bubble kits. It looks like this. So first I've gone ahead and I've mixed the powders into the 3 containers. Now the green one goes into the large one, and the small one, the purple or pink, and the blue one goes in here up to the line. I filled the water up to the line and mixed the powder inside. So first you can take either the pink one or the blue one, and we fill it up to the line at the very top of the spoon, and then we dip it in here and flip it. And then we'll do that with the blue one. First, rinse off the spoon in water. And now we're going to do the blue one. And do the same thing with the blue one. Put it in the green and then flip it. It's not quite a ball, but it's close enough. And then back to the pink. Okay, into here and flip it. And now the blue one again. Okay, now back to the blue one, and then we're gonna flip it. Okay, and then we don't have much pink left, so we'll do the blue one again. And then put it in and then flip it. Maybe we'll do a mixture of the pink and the blue. Okay, so 2 colors in one. And then now we gotta wait 5 minutes and it should be ready to eat.